Hey y'all, I'm Jeremiah with MarineMax in Sarasota, Florida. Guys, we are standing on board a 2024 Aquila 44. If you don't know what this boat is, oh man, we have a lot of video that you need to see. But today, we're gonna take about 3 minutes and cover some key points on how incredible this catamaran is. And honestly, like always, it starts at the back, but not with the motors you're used to. Guys, these boats have incredible swim platforms on the rear for catamarans. It is such a nice feature, gets you close to the water, great access. You can option a boom for a tender that can go in the rear. We have a huge dinette capable of seating 8 people. You see that second swim platform, and I have to point this out. This bar, this opening bar into the galley, is one of the nicest features on a 44. It is absolutely sublime. It allows you on beautiful South Florida days to bring the outside in, and who doesn't love that bar island style? Here in the main salon, you've got your fantastic dinette. You've got optional configurations on this side. It can be both a helm, refrigeration, TV hidden away there, and you see one of your entryways. This is a 3-cabin configuration. What that gives you is 2 identical VIPs. Instead of having a traditional 3-cabin configuration where one is less than the other, and Aquila has identical VIPs with their own bathrooms. And the big story is after you're out of these VIPs, you can put your friends in there very comfortably, but the forward part of this vessel is incredible. You have a full beam master in the front of this boat as we walk forward that gives you not only one of the most monstrous island beds you're going to find in a 44-foot boat, but it gives you a full head area with a shower and more, as well as this incredible work area that even gives you a chair, gives you places for your computer, places for hanging lockers. You have very, very tall full length, and of course you've got an optional washer dryer unit. Guys, there's so much more that we can't get into. The flybridge, the bow, so much more that you need to see in person when you come on board this boat. You have got to visit us at MarineMax Sarasota. You have got to take 3 minutes and come enjoy the view from the top side of an Aquila 44. I'm Jeremiah Long. This is MarineMax in Sarasota, Florida. And if you want one of the most amount of space you can get in a 45-foot class boat, it's this one.